Is your Beko dishwasher displaying the E02 error code? This code indicates a water inlet issue, which may be caused by a faulty inlet valve, low water pressure, or a malfunctioning flow meter. Fortunately, in many cases, you can fix this problem yourself. What does the E02 error mean? The E02 error means that the system is not detecting proper water flow. During the water inlet cycle, the dishwasher monitors water flow using a special meter, flow sensor. If no water flow is detected, the machine stops operating and displays the E02 error code. This can happen due to no water reaching the dishwasher, low water pressure, a clogged or faulty inlet valve, a malfunctioning flow sensor. How to fix the E02 error? Check the water supply. Make sure the tap supplying water to the dishwasher is fully open. Also, check if the water pressure is sufficient. Inspect the water inlet hose. It might be kinked, clogged, or damaged. If necessary, clean or replace it. Test the inlet valve. Disconnect the dishwasher from power and examine the valve that controls water flow. It could be blocked or dirty. If the valve is not opening properly, it may need replacement. Check the flow sensor. If the error persists, the problem might be with the sensor that measures water flow. Try cleaning it or replacing it if necessary. When to call a technician? If the E02 error keeps appearing after performing these steps, the issue could be in the dishwasher's electronics. In that case, it's best to contact an authorized Beko service center. Having a similar problem? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting tips.